In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Play Store in BlueStacks 5. Even though BlueStacks already includes it, we will walk through exactly how to find and open it so you can start installing apps right away. First, open BlueStacks 5. If you installed it recently, use the shortcut on your desktop or from your Start menu and wait for the main window to appear. You will know BlueStacks has fully loaded when you see the main Android-style interface with app icons and a bottom bar with controls. If BlueStacks asks for permissions on first launch, allow them so it can run properly. Once BlueStacks is open, go to the home screen. If you are already there, you will see your main grid of apps and maybe a wallpaper behind them. If you are inside any app or settings page, use the Home button in the bottom center to return. When you hit Home, the app you were using stays open in the background, but the view switches back to that main grid so you can reach the built-in system tools. Now, click System Apps. You will usually find this as a folder icon labeled System Apps near the top or left side of the home screen. When you click it, the folder opens and shows several default tools like Settings, Media Manager, and Play Store. A beginner tip here, you do not have to download anything for these icons to appear. They are bundled with BlueStacks itself. Next, click Play Store. Inside the System Apps folder, look for the multicolored triangle icon labeled Play Store and click it once. A new window opens that looks just like the Google Play Store on an Android phone, with a search bar at the top and app suggestions below. If nothing happens when you click, check that BlueStacks is not still loading in the background, then try one more click on the icon. After that, sign in with your Google account. The Play Store will show a sign-in screen with a field for your Google email address. Enter your email, click Next, then enter your password and continue. Take your time and make sure there are no typing errors, especially in the email part, because even a single wrong letter will stop the sign-in. If Google asks you to agree to terms or confirm backup options, choose the answers you prefer, then continue until you reach the main Play Store front page. Once you arrive there, your account is ready inside BlueStacks and linked to this virtual device. With sign-in complete, once signed in, you can search for and install Android apps. Use the search bar at the top to type an app name. Then press Enter and you will see a list of matching apps, each with an Install button on the right side. Click Install on any app you want and you will see a download progress circle, then the Open button once it is ready. The installed app will also appear on the BlueStacks home screen, so you can open it later without going back to the Play Store. You have now added and opened the Google Play Store inside BlueStacks 5 and signed in so you can install Android apps. If this helped you get Play Store running in BlueStacks, a quick thumbs up would be awesome, and feel free to subscribe for more simple BlueStacks tips.